Hey guys, I'm gonna be eating some slime. This is not actually slime, it's like a little bit of the. It's green glue. Green glue. Thank you, Lolito Pokey Buds, for commenting on my video. You are the best, and I hope I spelled that right. Yeah. Let me just finish up this gooey. I got on there. After this, I might eat a Ferrero Mini cupcake Ferrero Rochers. I also have ranch. Bye guys.